hope I get really, really, really wet. Madison, watch it. Am I just getting a suntan or burned? Oh my gosh.
What?
I want to keep my phone in here.
Okay, you can. So you don't worry about it getting wet?
Yeah, I don't.
Tell the camera what we're about to do.
We're about to do Colorado Rapids.
Do you hope you get really wet?
I do hope I get really wet.
Yeah, it'll feel good, won't it?
I hope I get really, really, really wet.
Alright, come on. It's alright, come on. We're gonna dry off, don't worry.
Here we go. Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You sleepy?
No.
Okay, good.
Right? Watch. Madison, watch it.
You watch it. Stay in your seat.
I know, I'm watching. Am I just getting a suntan or burned?
It's just a tan. You're okay. We're going in a lot of circles, aren't we?
Yeah. Is it gonna go down a hill?
Yeah. We're going to get stopped up at the top.
What, honey?
We're going to get stopped at the top.
Oh, God!
Okay. Oh, jeez. Here we go, Jess.
Oh my gosh, I'm wet. Just a little bit. Not too much.
That was the best thing I ever did before. That was the best thing I ever did before.
Oh my God.
Oh,
My gosh, you're wet. Oh my gosh.
Backwards again.
Mom,
What?
backwards again. Hold on.
Okay.
Hold on a second.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my gosh. Your hand, arms, in at all times, sweetie. Watch it, Mom.
You watch it.
I know.
pull down, I'll tell you.
Okay, we're going to bump. We're going to bump. Ah! Ready? Okay.
Please step carefully out of your raft and onto the platform. Be sure you have all your gear. You'll need it for your next adventure. Thank you. Bienvenidos nuevamente, mis amigos.
All right.
Was
that fun?
Yeah.
Yay.
I was hoping we could do it again.
Well, there's so many people waiting in line today, we can't do it 2 times in a row. Tell everybody thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.